Truist Financial versus Northern Trust, which is better? Truist Financial versus Northern Trust, which is better? Links to both banks' products and services are in the description below for your convenience. In this comparison, we'll break down each bank's features, ideal customer, and what sets them apart. Truist Financial, formed from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust, is one of the largest banks in the U.S. with a focus on personal banking, small business services, and wealth management. Truist offers an extensive range of services, including checking and savings accounts, mortgages, investment solutions, and a variety of loans. One of the key strengths of Truist is its digital tools, such as a user-friendly mobile app, which offers easy access to accounts, bill pay, and personal finance management. Truist is designed for people who value both traditional banking and modern financial tools, making it an excellent choice for everyday consumers and businesses. Their focus on financial wellness tools and educational resources also makes them a good fit for individuals who are looking to improve their financial health. In contrast, Northern Trust is a more specialized institution that focuses heavily on wealth management and asset servicing. Founded in 1889, Northern Trust is known for its premium private banking and investment management services. It caters primarily to high net worth individuals, families, and institutional investors. Northern Trust offers customized wealth management solutions, including estate planning, tax optimization, and investment strategies. If you're looking for a tailored approach to managing substantial wealth, Northern Trust is a solid choice. It's ideal for affluent clients or institutions who need expert guidance and specialized services in wealth preservation and investment management. When comparing Truist and Northern Trust, the key difference lies in their target audience and services. Truist is a strong option for everyday banking, small businesses, and general wealth management, while Northern Trust excels in serving high net worth individuals and providing specialized wealth management and private banking services. If you're looking for comprehensive personal banking and digital tools, Truist is your go-to. But if you're seeking premium wealth management services, Northern Trust is a better fit. Check the description for further details and links to each bank's offerings.